Hello guys, welcome to another video. Oops, I accidentally hello guys, welcome to another video. I tracked literally my whole recording and it was so stupid of me. This girl subbed to me, her name is Trashy Full Ride. Sorry, I don't know how to say your name, please forgive me. She subbed to me and a big shout out to her because she's the nicest person I ever met. Well, one of the nicest persons. And she deserves some love in the comments and follow her. So make sure to follow her account. She's really nice. And I'm gonna try friend requesting her again. She's really nice and I would like her to accept my friend request. Well, it's totally her. Oh my god, she accepted! Yay! It's she's the best person I've ever met. She subbed to me and now I have 5 subs and my channel is starting to grow. So you guys, she's the best and make sure to follow her on Roblox and make sure to follow me on Roblox. And make sure to go give her a lot of kisses and smooches. Because she deserves some kisses and smooches. She's just really nice and she deserves some kisses and smooches. Some smooches. You will like some smooches. And so make sure to follow her. This sounded really weird what I just said, but just give her some love in the comments, please. She's the best. And you guys are the best too for supporting my channel. If anybody's gonna watch this, well, she's gonna watch this. But I don't know if she wants to get mentioned in the video. I'll ask her after the video, and if she doesn't, I'll just delete the video. But just she has to know she's the best. So make sure to follow her. Oh, look, money. Oh my god, a whole safe. I love safe. It's a UFO! It's a UFO! Oh my god, aliens confirmed. Wait, when is the new Iceland? Oh, it's not that far. It's really not that far. Oh my god, we can actually make the. No, no! Oh my god, I almost fell there. Let me get up. Let me jump. Let me jump real high, like I do always. Let me jump real high. Let me jump. Okay, rip. I thought I could make it Oh my god, my English is so freaking bad. Why? My English is so bad. I need English lessons and fast. This is not gonna work out. So. Alright. So, big shout out to this girl. Big shout out to this sick girl. I wanna just swear, but I think it's not family friendly, so make sure to follow her on Roblox and just say she's really nice because she is, and she's pretty good at this game if you look at her stats. So make sure just to follow her and say she's the best in the comments. Okay. So yeah, I don't really know what to record right now. We could we could hatch an egg. We could hatch an egg. Let's hatch a space egg. I mean, I have enough, so I guess we could do that. I'm not English anyway, so that's why my English is so. What are we gonna get? Ooh, close my eyes. A unique pet. Let's see, what are our stats? A space boo. I think the candy is pretty good, but I am gonna delete. Oh, I didn't mean to delete it like real, but like I'm gonna try equipping this one and having it and leveling it up. Like I don't know if you get like so I don't know how long I'm gonna record this, but I am gonna stop it because no, I'm not gonna stop it. Like I I just recorded a really good video, but I accidentally deleted it. So I'm gonna try not to delete this video. I'll try my best. Like I don't have to see it before it's done because that is what happened and how I delete the video. So yeah, I feel like stupid. Like I am pretty stupid. Like I just chatted with this girl for a second. Like I don't know if she has. I'll ask if she has Discord. Do you have Discord? Like nobody in these days have Discord. Like I have Discord. Make sure to like Discord is pretty handy to chat with your friends with. It's just pretty handy. Make sure to add me on Discord. It's Katarla, and my number is I it's 7037. I learned it out of my head, so make sure to add me there. I don't really know what to record right now. Like I don't know how to entertain you guys. I'll just try like I'll just go to the Candyland real quick. Like Candyland is pretty fun. I've been there. I've ate some candy. Like how much I need for like the big one. 200 candies. Who do you think you actually are, my friend? My dear friends, who do you think you actually are? Do you think I'm the Prince of Candyland? I don't think so. Like it's okay to think that I'm gonna pay a lot of like candies, but like I cannot pay that much candies, my friend, my dear friend. I'm trying to get an accent right now, but I just don't have an accent. I would like some candy canes, please. Oh my god. Did I just open a candy cane chest? Whee! Like, I can just use a portal. I've been Candyland. I've been like, you know what would be fun if you would like have a big bubble that you could just walk on air. Like I don't know where. Like I'm at the third portal right now, and I would like to have some candy canes. I have to pay gems for candy canes. Who do you think you are? I thought you would give me candy canes, but I guess not. I guess you're not my friends anymore. I guess if I paid you like my bubble money, like my bubbles, like my cash, my my coins, that you would give me candy. But you're so greedy, so you don't want to give me candy. Although you love candy, I don't care. I want candy too. Like, with the money I give you, you can just buy candy. But I can't get it because I'm not. You can just, like, eat yourself or something. This music is so freaking dumb. Like, I don't know who likes it. If you like it, it doesn't matter. It's your opinion, but I think it's dumb. I see a green chest. Just got tons of Robux using Get Me Bucks. Visit Get Me Bucks in your bro. Seriously? These are just bots or just a scammer. Okay, sorry for that scream. I apologize. What is it? Red chest. Oh, it gives you 303. My space ball just got level 3. Why do I keep falling? Why do I suck? Okay, I'm trying to land on my oil. I'm just gonna look at my stats of my space ball real quick. Oh, it's growing anyway. So I'm just gonna end the video here, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like, drop a comment about down below. Follow this route right here. And yep, that's it. Bye.